from, I hurt my elbow. Hello, it's Tracy from Imani Jewelry. I'm here with another Imani Jewelry hack. And this hack is because you know how the universe always like jacks you up at the most important times. So this has happened to me on vacation or special events. I go to put my earring on, I'm about to run out the door, and the freaking back comes off. You know this surgical steel back that's usually glued right here on this tile earring? Yeah, so sometimes, usually if it's in the, if you throw it in your pocketbook, or if it rubs up against something or brushes off of something, or sometimes if you've had the earrings for a long time and the oils from your skin get between the glue and the shell, that can cause it to lift off. But for whatever reason, I mean, some of us have had our Imani earrings for 20, 30, 40 years, so it's like about time for that back to come off. Anyway, I digress. If the back comes off of your earring and you want to do a quick fix because you don't have time to get it for me to use my regular gluing technique, this is a really quick hack for you. So what you're going to need is a butter knife, a Q-tip or paper towel, something like abrasive, an emery board or file, something like that, a pair of tweezers, or if you have jewelry pliers or small pliers, and even those pliers, you can use those, crazy glue, and some kind of acetone or nail polish remover. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get the existing glue off the bag. So you're going to take your tweezers, you try to pull it off. This is my original glue that I use, so that's why it's this kind of rubber glue. And if there's anything else left on there, that's where the butter knife comes in. You can try to scrape it off, because you really want to get the surface as clean as possible. So I got most of the glue off. Now I'm going to use my acetone wipe. And I'm going to use that for the back of the earring to get all of it off. So now you can see all the glue is off of there. And I'm also going to use that for the back of the post. Hopefully, when your post falls off, you still have the post. Next important thing is you're going to scuff this up, because you don't want a really, really flat surface. You want it to have some kind of how do I say it, abrasiveness, or yeah, you just don't want it to be flat. And you're gonna do the same thing here. You're gonna try to scuff this up a little bit. Sometimes you kind of have to bend your emery board a little bit to get it. Yeah, see, that worked. And you want to scuff that, scuff, 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 scuff. Just enough for you to have room to put that back on. Okay, you're gonna go back in with your cleaner, with your acetone or your nail polish remover. Okay, make sure that's completely dry. So I'm going to use my Q-tip here to make sure I've dried both surfaces really well. Now, the thing about this is, like I said, it's just going to be like, this is maybe last you a couple of weeks, a couple of months if you're lucky. But over time, this will come off again, because crazy glue is not really the best for this kind of non-porous to non-porous surface. You really want to use something with more of a rubber base that I use. So anyway, in the meantime, you're going to use this because you need to get to the club tonight or the wedding or wherever you're going. You drop a little bit of crazy glue on there, about the same size as the post. And then this is where you might need your pliers to apply it directly over that dot. And you're going to press it down. I'm going to use my finger to, it's sliding a little bit. Okay, I'm using my fingers later for the pliers. Press, 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 press. You're going to hold that down. Try not to get any crazy glue on your fingers, because you will be stuck to this earring for your night, and that's not going to be fun. This is going to take a minute to dry. Wait, I'm doing it again. Okay. I'm gonna leave that there. And I'm actually gonna add a little bit more crazy glue around the bottom, and it's gonna seep up underneath there. So I'm gonna apply it right to the side of that post. I'm gonna kind of drag it around so it gets all the way around the post. And you're gonna leave this and let this dry. You really want this to be dry, dry, dry. Otherwise, your earring will be stuck to your ear and then you have to go to the emergency room. So let that dry. I'm gonna say 10 minutes, like carry it in your hand while you're driving in the car or whatever till you get there. And then when it's totally dry, that'll sit on there and it'll be able to stick, like I said, for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, but you probably want to send it to me over time for me to put my really, really good glue on there. That's my hack for today. I'm gonna come back in a second and show you that that's dried. Okay, it's been about 10, maybe 12 minutes have passed. It's dry. I can hold it like this, and that's it. Make sure it's dry to the touch, because if it's still tacky or sticky, that's gonna stick to your ear and you don't want that to happen. So that's it. I hope this was very helpful. And just please remember that this is a temporary fix. This is not a permanent fix. Love you so much, and I hope to see you soon.